Most common mistake I see at this point is piecemealing insurance policies together, as opposed to looking at your overall insurance needs and coordinating all the different types of insurance that you need to have in place. Take, for example, disability. You have individual disability insurance protecting your own occupation. You have disability overhead expense. When do you put that in place? How much overhead expense are you covering in the event of a disability? How does that work in conjunction with your individual disability insurance? Life insurance. When do you purchase life insurance? Is it a need because a lender is giving you a loan and they're requiring it? Is it a need to protect your family in the untimely event of a death? Is it a need to try to accumulate cash value in a policy to use as a supplemental retirement plan? All these different types of life insurance have different times and purposes to have in place. What if you have a buy-sell agreement in place because you have a partner? You need to buy life insurance so that you can buy out their shares if they die, and that way you don't have a spouse as an owner inside of the practice. You look at key person insurance. Do you have any key people that are part of the organization that if they're lost because of a disability or a death, the organization would suffer financial harm, and therefore you provide insurance or put insurance on those people? You have umbrella policies. When do you put the umbrella policy, liability policy in place? That coverage usually extends above and beyond your auto and your homeowner's insurance. So in the event that there's a school bus that's accidentally hit, or there's a slip and fall in a house, when your liability limits run out on your auto and your homeowners, the umbrella policy kicks in. What's the right amount of a umbrella liability policy to carry? Is it $1 million, $3 million, $5 million, $10 million of coverage? All of these things come into play, are important to have coordinated across all the different insurances that you need to have while you're young, while you're in the middle stage of your career, and as they're at the end of your career. When do they make the most sense? I had a client with two-partner practice with a great relationship, but they didn't have any agreement in place, and unfortunately one of the partners became disabled, but there was no agreements talking about what would happen in the event someone was disabled or died or was a divorce, and they ended up in a lawsuit because they just didn't have a simple document put in place and funded properly with insurance. This is common in buy-sell agreements. You see a buy-sell agreement in place, but there's no way to come up with funds to buy someone out in the event of a death. You got to use insurance to do that. So all of the insurance is coordinated across all the different areas that you have, both individually and at the business level, become important to do.